I'm doing. Got one here. Now when you trim these off, make sure you leave a gigantic pokey so the next guy that works on it cuts the crap out of his arm. All right, got a plug over here for the exhaust valve. And get my other ground bolt. All right, now I need my only slightly broken crash bar pad. Now we just need to clip in all this wiring. Wow, this is so much easier to put back together than it is to take apart. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Bingo, buddy. Now I can put this little sensor back on. One little clip to hold it. That's better, okay. Now I'm going to get the evap canister on. Now I gotta figure out where that little sucker plugs into. Bingo, buddy. Okay. Ah, there's the plug. Right there. Inside.